Welcome to Learn English Practical 24/7 with Harvey.
When do you need to be focused?
My focus is imperative when I'm dealing with work-related projects that require deep analysis, or when I'm learning something new that demands high cognitive effort. These situations call for undivided attention and meticulous planning to achieve the desired outcomes. Ensuring I am well rested and free from distractions is key during these times.
To demand high cognitive effort. It means to require a significant amount of mental energy and thought. We have an example. Solving complex mathematical problems demands high cognitive effort. Undivided attention. It means complete focus on a task without distractions. We have an example. The teacher requested the students' undivided attention during the important lecture. Meticulous planning. It means careful and detailed organization of all aspects of a task. We have an example. The success of the event was due to meticulous planning by the organizing committee.
When do you need to be focused?
Critical thinking and problem-solving tasks demand my utmost focus. Whether I'm coding a complex algorithm or analyzing market trends, these activities require precision and acute attention to detail. Such high-stakes environments naturally necessitate a heightened state of focus.
Utmost focus. It means the highest level of concentration on a task. We have an example. To win the chess championship, he needed utmost focus during every match. Acute attention to detail. It means paying very close and precise attention to small elements. We have an example. The artist's acute attention to detail made his paintings incredibly realistic. To necessitate. It means to make something necessary. We have an example. The project's complexity necessitated hiring additional team members with specialized skills.
Well done. Get ready to unlock your English potential. Subscribe to Learn English Practical 24/7 for regular updates and dive into the world of practical English learning. Thank you very much.